Hello children, take out your book term 4, page number 102, GK. Now let us learn this lesson so that you can know how you will be safe from any accidents. Safety on roads. Following safety rules are important to protect ourselves from danger and injury. That means if we follow the safety rules, we will be safe from any accidents and injury. Injury means getting hurt. We must be very careful while moving on the road. There are buses, taxis, rickshaws, motorcycles, cars, scooters and bicycles running on the roads. Now when we are careful on the road, we will be free from any accidents. So there are many vehicles running on the road. There are buses, cars, motorcycles. So many things run on the road, and if we are not careful on the road, we will meet accident. We will get hurt from accidents. So you must be very careful on the road. While moving around in the city, we must obey the traffic rules. Children, I think you have seen on the crossings, you have seen the traffic lights. If we follow the traffic rules, you will be safe on the road. Traffic rules are for our own safety as well as the safety of others. So when we move on the road, we must not only think of our safety, but we must also think about the safety of other people. Now there are few rules which you must know that so that you will be safe on the road. The important safety rules we need to follow on the road are, so there are few safety rules which you must follow so that you will not get accident on the road. We must be careful on the road. You must be careful. You must not run on the road. You must look right and left so that no cars or buses come while you cross the road. When the road is free, you must cross the road. We must walk only on the footpath. If there is a footpath on the road, if you go walking on the road, you must walk only on the footpath. But if there is no footpath, you have to walk on the left side of the road. Now next is, we must cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Now children, there are zebra crossing with the marking black and white on the crossings. If you have to cross from one side to the other side, you have to cross at the zebra crossing on the white and black stripes. Now next is, we must cross the road only when the traffic light is green for us. At the crossing, when you see the traffic lights, traffic signals, when you have to cross the opposite side, you have to see if the green light is on, then only you have to cross the road. Now next is, we must not cross the road when the traffic light is red for us. So traffic light means red, stop, is stop. So when it means stop, you don't have to cross the light, red light. We must not run on the road. You must not run on the road because many vehicles keep on running on the road. Before crossing the road, we must first look right, then look left, and then right again. So this is very clear to you children. When you have to cross the road, first you have to see right. You have to see if any vehicle is coming, then you have to see left. If there is no vehicle coming, then only you have to cross the road. Next is, we must not get in or get off a moving bus. Now children, this is very important. When you go in a bus or car, you don't have to get in. You don't have to get inside the bus or car or get out of the bus or car when the car has not stopped. If it is still running, you don't have to get out from it because you will lose balance and you will fall down. Next is, we must never try to travel on the footboard of the moving bus. Now you see children, in between there is a passage and there are stairs. So you must not stand on it and you have to travel, because if you travel there, if you lose your balance, you will fall down. Last is, we must obey all the traffic rules when we use the road. When we use the road, you must use the traffic rules. What are the traffic rules? You have to follow the traffic signals, red, green and yellow. So you have to be very clear when to cross the road, when to stop. And next is, when you have to cross the road, you have to look right, left. If there is no vehicle coming, you can cross the road. So now I think children, it is very clear to you about how to be safe on the road so that you can avoid any accidents. So children, after you have learned this lesson, I will give you a few questions and answers. So you be prepared. You learn the lesson, read many times. Repeatedly you read the lesson. I will give questions from between and you must be able to answer them. Okay, thank you children. Bye-bye.